Hello everyone, in today's video we'll discuss how to stop your Roblox screen from flickering on mobile. But first, why does the screen flicker on mobile? A Roblox screen flickering on a mobile device indicates that the app version is outdated, the device specifications are insufficient, or you're experiencing a glitch during the game. Now let's look at the best solutions to apply to fix the issue. Firstly, updating Roblox to the latest version is crucial. Check if the developers have released any new updates and select them to improve the performance of your app. Secondly, fixing insufficient device specifications is important. Check the RAM, operating system, and processor speed to see if they meet the Roblox specifications. If you have an old mobile device, it may need more space to run the game. You'll either need to update the specifications or get a new device. Lastly, restarting the application can often resolve glitches. Reboot your mobile device and launch the app fresh to fix any glitches. If the problem persists, contact the Roblox support system for assistance via phone. The number is 2569, details in the description. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.